Hello, welcome to Affiliate Offers. This video is a qualification video for video intent query labeling, that is German. So read about the Hitapps. The purpose of this task is to identify whether a given query will be satisfied by a video answer in search results. So let's qualify, read and understand the guidelines as always. The first hit is a camel spider. And for animals, the guidelines is that it's video intent, how to unlock your iPhone, how to queries with majority, vice presidential debate, and majority video intent, Banksy. So artist and art, video intent, clothing, fashions, video intent, snoqualmie, past road conditions, I think this is a place and the query is seeking the road conditions. Seeking general information, good and video intent, cuts on YouTube. It's all about videos, majority video intent. What is Bold's law? Instructional, informational, video intent. Sheet music. What is sheet music? Handwritten or printed form of musical notation that uses musical symbols to indicate the pitches, rhythms, or chords of a song. So is an video intent. And lastly, Xanax. Xanax is a drug that is not video intent. So that's it. You passed the qualification test. For this and more videos like this, please like, subscribe, share our videos, join our Telegram channel, contact us through our emails. Personally, all the links are in the description below.